Hi, I'm Mitch Warne and this is my bike check. First of all, we've got an Eastern Grim Reaper frame. Got painted a custom green with a bit of a sparkle to it in the limelight. Move on to the midsection now. We got Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks at 170. Odyssey all the way, I guess. Super strong. Got Odyssey pedals as well, super grippy. BST 28 tooth sprocket, just like that bit of a hard gearing. You've got to crank around, pump into the bowl. Front wheel is a profile woodland camo hub with McNeil dub rim. Can't fault it, never break. Odyssey Part Pro tyre, 20.25, front and rear. On the front especially, because super grippy, never slide out. Odyssey R25 forks. Got an extended long salt seat tube with a stranger seat, camo seat on top. Just sort of goes well with the frame, the colour, and the camo just matched in with the hubs a little better. On the rear wheel, we've got a Profile Elite camo hub to match the front, as well as another McNeil dub rim. Move on to the front now. We're running the set stem at the moment. Golden oldie, this set stem. You can always rely on this as a backup. Tempered Nordic bars at 9.66. Yeah, just another new product I haven't run before, but they seem to be really, really strong. As well as the Railford Odyssey grips. Can't complain, super grippy, even on a sweaty day. Last but not least, on the right side, run two Shadow metal pegs. 4-inch on the front and 4.33 on the rear. I used to run plastics all the time, but I just miss that sound of metal on metal. Yeah, it's super light, super strong, can't complain.
I don't know, let's get a session in or something.
Yeah, let's go ride.
Whip! Whip! Where's the whip? Whip! Whip! Yo! Oh, that's Phil. Yo! Yo!
To say thank you to Rarefest for helping me out with the build and everything. Shop local. And a big shout out to just Sin Clothing as well. Just all the help they give me. Yeah, have a good one.